Today, we're going to be reacting to Railfan memes, and it's not going to look good. I hope these are funny. Norfolk Southern when a train exceeds 30 miles per hour. What's going on? Oh my God. Why has it always got to be about Norfolk Southern? Is this the only train that gets into many accidents? Like, what the heck? What's going on?
We are CSX.
CSX?
On the move. Taking pride in driving the economy. Supporting our community. Welcome the best mechanic in LS.
The Snoot? What is this? What locomotive? Is that a GP30?
Hey, Combo, please.
It's the Southern Pacific. But why is it so blurry? And what's going on? Oh, CSX.
Welcome to Canadian Pacific. Nerd. CSX equipment defect detail.
Me playing trains 2009 when it be an SD. Four. I'm about to laugh. Yo, chat, subscribe if you love this video, because it's getting.
Don't forget the I in r/trans. They'll enjoy. A lot more tolerance here than other communities. So it's like a human. Where did I go? You're below me, moron!
Oh, BNSF. Oh gosh, that's loud. And why is it like so wide?
If you didn't know that.
Oh
shit, it's lit! We fucking lit! Oh no, I'm not gonna open it. What the fuck? Oh shit!
Bro, what?
That was me! Yo, that's me.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my God! Miguel, you successfully hit the level 17 times, so you are not proud owner, right?
The Grand Trunk. The Grand Trunk. What is this? Ooh. Norfolk Southern employee charged for what? What am I even reacting to? Just total chaos. Oh no, not now. TriMet. Union Pacific now, and bro, what is going on? In MBTA. Since when? Oh, Ferromex. Oh no. NSFW, what? Oh, now Amtrak Midwest. Bro, what is going on? Bro, No. Bro. What is this? You know what? Subscribe. Subscribe if you want part 2.